All right, now that you've clicked on creating your first product, it is time to select what type of product we are going to be creating. Are you trying to collect emails? Do you want to sell a digital download? Are you creating a custom product or maybe booking a time on your calendar? Whatever it is, they have something here for you. You can see they have recurring memberships. So you can see recurring memberships right here. You have e-courses right here. You have booking your calendar right here. Custom external link to a URL, right? They have tons of stuff for you guys, is basically what I'm saying. So you're going to want to decide what product it is that you are selling, and then you are going to make your selection based off of exactly that, what it is that you're selling. So if you have a digital download here, if you have something that really needs to go to an external site or anything like that, you have that here. If you want to create a reoccurring membership, you can do that here. And then of course, paid coaching right there, whatever the case may be. But for now, what we're going to do is we're just going to show you guys the simple way to set up any product by going through the process. Now, the process is going to look similar for pretty much every single product that they offer, because most of their products are set up in the same succession of it starts at the click here button, here's the information page, and then here's your closing sales page, right? So we're going to show you guys how to do that just on one, and then it's pretty much the exact same process with each one after that. Let's go ahead and set things up to be able to sell a digital download. Since most of you guys are learning from this course how to sell digital downloads, this would be probably the best one to go over for right now. Of course, you can do digital download, custom product, or even an external link or URL, which look for a later video, and we will be going over how to use this button to make your stand store stand out just a little bit more. For now, let's go ahead and click in sell a digital download. So in the sell the digital download, once you click it, it's going to look like this. This right here is what shows up whenever somebody goes into your stand store for the very first time. This is going to be the button. This is going to be the call to action. This is going to be the title, subtitle, call to action that really entices the person to continue forward. Next page is going to be your checkout page. This is where you get to showcase some of the information about your product, and you try your best to make that copy as narrow and concise as possible so that it is a very quick read so that somebody can understand what it is that they're getting and make the decision there. Finally, you have the advanced tab, and this is where you can connect email flows, which we will talk about in a later video. You can even do an order bump as long as you are paying for the $99 a month subscription to Stan. Now, order bumps can be done in multiple different ways. So if you have email flows, you can do an order bump within the email flow. But there are statistics that prove having an order bump right there at checkout does help to increase your sales. Then, of course, you have your affiliate share. Again, this is where you can create affiliate links and share them with other Stan creators so that they can sell your product, another $99 a month feature. Then you have your promo video. You can upload a promo video with customer testimonials, which is absolutely suggested for any single one of your products. Creating a video that explains people what it is that they're getting. Not everybody likes to read. So if not everybody likes to read, then it would make sense to put a video in there for the people who don't want to read. And then of course, customer reviews, giving that social proof that your product actually does work for someone somewhere and they're happy with it. Now we want to move down here. We have our email confirmation. This is where you can set this up and personalize it a little bit more. What it's going to do is it's going to send them the product files. It's going to say, thank you for ordering our product name. Here's your order. Now, this is a very simple email. To be honest, guys, you don't have to go much crazier than that. Okay. It's going to tell them, hey, your order from me is here. And hi name, thank you for ordering. Here's your order. Here's the files. Thank you, my name. That is really and truthfully as simple as it needs to be. You don't have to get too crazy with it. The reason being is because this is just a confirmation. So make sure you thank them for their purchase in their business. You tell them their order has arrived and there's their order. Where you can really start to get creative, I guess you could say, with your emails is in the email flows portion, which we, again, are going to go over in a later video. But you can also do email integrations with MailChimp. Now, MailChimp is a beast of its own. If you are not familiar with MailChimp, I would not personally suggest utilizing it right from the get-go. It is a lot more robust of a system, and it does have a learning curve. So I would ignore this for now if you are just beginning. Now, if you are not just beginning and this is something you feel comfortable with moving forward on, go ahead and integrate. But for now, I would just use the email flows that are built in right with Stan. They are advanced enough to really help you guys to start using emails to convert. So now that we have an overview of what a digital product looks like, I am going to walk you guys through getting everything set up. So jump over into the next video and we'll set up our very first product for our store.